All right, YouTube lovies, it's this is relevant. One of those fold-up chairs. I live in a cracker box house, so my therapy is on this chest here. Just did a video on depression, but I haven't posted it. Just had a meltdown trying to soothe myself. So I'll demonstrate the exercise that I'm supposed to do with my left hand. I need to adjust the camera so we can see how far I get. All right, so palm up on a towel. Lean over as far as you can and back. That is not going to happen, which is 10 reps. I don't know if I'm more scared or what. I get stuck right there. And it says if you can't go any further to not. So I get to do 10 of these. I'm just gonna hold the towel and do 3. As many as I can. And what I'm feeling is this whole thing feels like it's gonna pop right out of the socket. And that's what's most uncomfortable. And I don't want to push it, so I'm just going to come back and just do 10 of those reps. I'm not going to bore you with 10 of these on whatever you call this channel, YouTube. I'll make this part of the depression video. Post-op depression is very real. So, take good care of yourself. I live alone. I don't have any support to help me do anything, feed myself, get dressed, wipe my butt. I don't need help doing that, thank God. Overall, the surgery, I felt good. It's just doing this physical therapy sucks out loud. I knew it would. But I'm still in my sling, and I'm still icing, and when I'm running around in my sling, I'm fine. I have a love-hate relationship with it because my shoulder blade is killing me. I'm getting a wedge pillow so I can sleep. Do that, when you get your surgery. Anyway, do your therapy. I'm committed. I'm going to go shut the video off and do 10 of these as far as I can. But that's the hardest one. Everything else is wonderful. I still have to make arrangements for the pulley one where I've got to lift my arm up. Yeah. I've been trying it, and I get pops and crackles, and I'm not sure what is what. But this is the first day or second day, really the first day of home therapy, because I don't have room for anything until I just made room for this. Anyways, good luck.